I would say the general consensus on the oil price right now is that supply and demand is actually quite nicely in balance. And it would take a major shock on either supply or demand to move the price significantly. However, we are living in very interesting times, and neither a shock to demand or supply is far-fetched at the moment. Two things we're looking at the moment at the supply side is the possibility of further quantitative easing or stimulus from the Fed or the Chinese or both. We don't believe that Europe will actually get involved in a quantitative stimulating role, but they've already done a lot to stabilize the market. Another factor that may drive prices higher is continuing tensions in the Middle East. Anything, even just rumors flying around of any kind of military action between Israel and Iran will likely send the price of crude up quite significantly in the short term. From the demand point of view, the global economy has been firing on less than all cylinders lately. I think if we look at the payrolls data that came out last week, way less than expected and much less than needed to make a significant dent in unemployment in the United States, which is probably the world's, well, not probably, they are the world's largest consumer of crude oil. If we don't see any stimulus soon, I believe we can see a dramatic sell-off in all commodities and definitely in oil. In terms of speculators, I believe is overstated, but it does tend to fluctuate on where we are in the economic cycle and what is going on in the world. At the moment, I believe there's a between $5 and $10 risk premium priced into the price of oil concerning the situation in the Middle East, and you can attribute that probably to speculators.